Have you ever wanted to grow your own exotic tropical fruits at home? There's an undeniable allure to these fruits, with their unique flavors and abundant health benefits. Picture the likes of dragon fruit, passion fruit, and guava. Imagine being able to pick these fruits right from your backyard. To begin, consider the climate in your area. Different tropical fruits thrive in different climates, from the balmy warmth of papayas to the temperate cool of kiwis. Researching the best tropical fruits for your specific climate is essential. Once you've selected the perfect fruit for your climate, it's time to get planting. Planting tropical fruit trees isn't as daunting as it might seem. The first step is to prepare the soil. It should be well drained and rich in organic matter. Then it's time to plant the seeds or young plants. Make sure they are covered, but not too deep. Watering is essential, but avoid overwatering as this can drown the roots. Remember, these trees need time. They won't bear fruit overnight. With proper care and patience, your tropical fruit tree will start to thrive. Taking care of your tropical fruit tree is an ongoing process. It's not just about planting and leaving it be. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry periods. Pruning helps maintain the tree's health and shape, while pest management keeps those pesky bugs at bay. Now, onto the exciting part, harvesting. Knowing when the fruit is ripe can be tricky, but generally a change in color or a slight give when squeezed can signal ripeness. And voila! You've successfully grown your own exotic tropical fruit. So, are you ready to transform your backyard into a tropical paradise? Let's recap. We've walked through how to pick the right exotic fruit for your climate, plant it, and provide ongoing care. And the best part, harvesting. There's nothing quite like the reward of biting into a fresh, succulent fruit that you've grown yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.